Hey fellow gardeners, so day 20 of the transplants that we did for the beginner gardening series. So let's take a look at those, the plants, and see how they're doing. Alright, so day 20 and the plants are looking pretty good. Tomato plants here, these are the celebrity hybrids. Looking nice, full of foliage, getting lots of blooms already. And the grape tomato, which is the only indeterminate I have, getting tall. And I'm going to look to see if there's anything I need to prune on here. I'll probably just let it grow as much as possible with very little pruning. Peppers are looking good. I've already got a couple of peppers growing, so lots of blooms on these guys. One thing I did notice, these are those baby bells that I have never grown before, and they're pretty proliferate so far. My jalapenos have a little bit of splotching on the leaves, but not too bad. Growing up tall, looking pretty good. Stems look good. Shishitos, they're starting to get a lot of little buds on them. On these last two, which are Cubanelles, I added these at the last minute because I had bought a 10-pack of grow bags and I only had 8 plants, so I went ahead and got these guys because I like them. They have a little splotchiness as well, and it's not really leaf curl, but just odd shaped leaves. So not sure what that's causing that right off the bat. I mean, it's not devastating the plant or anything. It's still growing and it's getting buds and everything, so still not too worried about it. But because we did have some storms blow through with some heavy rain, not for a long period of time, but we did have some heavy rain. It did water these guys heavily. That was about 2 days ago, and so I'm going to feed these guys again, even though it's only been about a week. They are in their blooming stage, so they're going to need some more calcium, and since that rain came in, it probably leached out a lot of nutrients in the soil. So I'm going to go ahead and feed them again, and then we'll do another update to see how they're doing. So let me get the water soluble AgroThrive made up, and then I'll water these down. Be right back. Alright, so I mixed up my fertilizer. Again, I use this AgroThrive organic fruit and flower liquid fertilizer. It's 4 ounces per gallon. I got a 2-gallon jug, so 8 ounces, and that seems to work pretty well with these plants. So I already watered these and fertilized them, so I got these down here on this end to do. So I'm going to go with that, and I'm going to add a little more to this guy. As you can see, this stuff is brown, and it does have a smell to it. It's not a bad smell like fish fertilizer. I mentioned this before, but kind of a soy sauce fragrance to it. Somebody said molasses and soy sauce, and I will agree with that. So I just give them a good drink, good drench. This is a 335 fertilizer, a little higher in potassium, which is good for these flowering and fruiting plants. Some would call it a balanced fertilizer, and I guess you could. It's pretty close, right? I'm going to finish off this. Just add a little more to these plants. These are lots of buds on here, so as I said, I already watered these once. Just finishing off what I have here. So you can see some of these bags drain more than others, but I may come back and top it off with just a little water. Make sure they're good, because it's going to get hot and you want them to have enough water to be happy. So there you go. So day 20, and they're looking good. Pretty good for just buying a bag of fertilizer, a bag of potting mix. Something you can start looking for is the ones that have the white label in the back, which this one does. This this one does. They got the granular fertilizer in the beginning. This one did not. So can you tell a difference so far? I know there are a little more branches on the one on the left there, but that's just how it grew. They both look pretty good. They're both the same height. This one might be a little fuller, but you know, it takes a bit for that granular fertilizer to break down. Same thing with this Snackabell red pepper plant. This one got granular fertilizer. This one did not. How are they looking? Pretty similar. This one has maybe a little bit taller, but this one, lots of blooms, got a couple of peppers on it growing. This one has a lot of blooms and some teeny tiny starter peppers down there. These jalapeno plants, this one got the granular fertilizer, this one did not, and it looks like the one on the right is a little taller. So again, that's the only shishito pepper I got. I did put granular fertilizer in it. The two cubanelles, the one on the left got granular fertilizer, the one on the right didn't. So we'll see how this turns out when we start getting a lot of fruit and make a comparison then. So that's it for day 20. Again, I'll be making updates probably every 3 or 4 days. And if something happens, I'll definitely do an update. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below what you think, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you.